Kailan nga ba ang best time para matuto ng crypto? Short answer, kahapon. Best answer, ngayon. Crypto is not just a trend. It's a financial language the world is currently shifting towards too. The longer you wait to learn it, the more expensive your ignorance becomes. No one gets rich from timing the market. Hindi ka naghahanap ng perfect timing because there's opportunity anytime in the market. It's boundless and limitless opportunities. Ang tanong, kaya mo bang makita yung opportunity? Ang tumatalino at natututo are those people who spend time in the market. The best time to learn about crypto is the first time you heard about it. The second best time is before you regret not doing it. Start small, study small habits daily, fail fast, and grow consistently. Because in crypto, just like in life, the earlier you learn, the longer you earn.